Hello guys and welcome to how to make a fighting game in Godot using Spine part 9. This is getting huge, right? First of all, I want to say thank you to everybody who is supporting this tutorial. I see that a lot of people are interested in see the relation between Godot and Spine and work with it. And I want to update you that we are going close to the end of the tutorial, okay? I maybe will do like one or more two episodes because I don't want to make it any longer for you to be accessible, okay? And yeah, because this is for beginners, intermediate, and I think I've given you a lot of tools for you to expand a project that maybe you have in mind, okay? Merry Christmas to everybody for sure. And let me update you that maybe in these weeks I will be a little bit busy because I'm moving out from one country to another. And I don't know if I will find the time to upload a video. Anyway, I will make the effort to maybe next week upload and leave a video for you guys. And let's see how it goes, okay? Thank you for all the support again. Remember, a thumbs up always help. If you have a question, just leave the comment, or if you want to say whatever, it will be always welcome, okay? So thank you a lot, and let's move to the video. So the next thing that we are going to do is to turn the numbers to red, okay? 2 to 1, and the numbers, when we hit and we make a hit, it will turn to red, okay? Okay, so let me explain a little bit how we are going to change the color of the combos. We have two scripts that we need to take in consideration. There are the fight manager, okay, the fight manager, and the player script. Let's begin with the player script. So you can see what the order, the usual order that is going to work. We are going to create a signal that is color number, combo number color change, okay? This signal will be connected to the fight script here. This is the fight script, and we are going to connect to this function. And what the signal is going to emit. The signal, every time that we, for example, imagine that we have a combo of 1, 1, 2, okay? Remember that if it's right, if the first number is right, that the input that we are giving, so we have a hit, right? We get the enemy gets a hit. So then we are going to change the numbers, and we are going to emit this signal, and in this signal we are going to give different values of colors. For example, red, white, white. This is mean that this will be turned red, this number will be white, and this number will be white. For example, if we have a success and keep doing the combo right, then as you can see, the second number, the first number, and the second number will be red, okay? And at the end, if we do all the combo right, you can see that we will have all red. All the numbers are going to red. We are going to wait 2 seconds, and then we are going to turn the numbers again white and get another random combo, okay? So let's see when we emit the signal what happened. First, we want to add a new thing on the combo chosen. This is the text combo default that we made, but we are going to store the value of these 3 numbers. For example, if this is 1 to 2, we are going to store these values here, okay? Then, with these variables that are global, we are going to use in different functions, we are going to rewrite the text combo. And For example, if this is 1, 2, 2, it will be this number 1, 2, 2. Okay? But we emit the signal with the colors. So for example, if we have success, the first one, we are going to put red, white, white for the first one. So the red will be here, the white will be here, and the white color will be here. So this number will be red, and so on. If, for example, we have 1 and 2 as success, they will be both red. So this one will be red. We are going to update a signal that it will say, okay, this is not white, this is red, and this remained to be red, okay? And so on with the 3 numbers. This is how we are going to do until we have all the 3 numbers in red, okay? And then, as you can see here, we emit a signal saying, okay, these 3 numbers, turn it again white. And this is the idea that I come with. Maybe there are easier one, but I don't know. This is the one that I got, okay? Okay, so in the player script, let's create the signal that we want to create, that we want to implement for the combo color combo number color change. Okay, this will be the signal. Then in the fight scene, we are going to connect this signal. So player node connect combo number color change self with the same script. We copy this and we're just going to add an on. And at the moment, let's create the function here. The function on color change. That will have color 1, that it will be string. It will have color 2, that it will have a string also. And it will have a color 3, that will be also a string, okay? And at the moment, we're going to pass this function. Then let's create 3 variables that will store the combo number, okay? So it will be called combo 1. Let's create, bar combo 1, bar combo 2, bar combo 3, okay? And what we want to do is here, where we have the combo, we need to acquire these values, okay? So combo 1, combo 2, and combo 3 will be equal to each combo. Will be equal to combo 1, all the parameters, combo 3. Okay? So in this way, we are given the value, and we are going to store these numbers to use it in this function. In this function, let's write the text combo. No, it's not text combo, it's combo chosen text, because remember that we are going to rewrite this. So set BB code to this code. First, all the thing that will be inside will be center, right? So is the one that we have to write. Then color 1, This is the signal, the parameter that the signal will get. Then this variable over here, and then we need to say, okay, this will be the color. Okay, so the color will be this one. Let's put a plus, and then let's write the plus that we want to see in the text. And we do the same. We put color 2 plus combo 2. Okay, and if you want, we can copy this to say, okay, this is where the color comes. And we put plus because we want to see the plus, and again we do the same. Color 3 plus combo 3 plus, again, if you want, we can just copy the color, okay? And then, but not least, we say all this we want to be center, and it should be fine, okay? And don't forget that we want on combo chosen text, we want the visibility to be -1. Okay, we want to show all this. So let's put this combo chosen text and put and write. Yeah, we can copy this because we want all the characters to be seen. And now in the player script, let's go to where the combos start. And for example, when we check and we are doing a hit, for example, in the first number, and we are going to emit the signal that we want, that is combo number color change. So we are going to update this. And how we are going to update? We are going to say, let's put brackets, color equal to red. And then, again, we say color equal to white. And again, color equal to white. Okay, this is the info that we are going to send with the signal. There is something, yes, here we haven't put, okay. And now, this is in the first one. In the second one, we are going to paste this and say, okay, because we have a success in the second number, so the second number will be red. And in the third one, when we do the KO, we are going to put all the numbers to red. Then we are going to wait to GL. Let's GL for, okay, we need to get 3, this is how we do it, dots create timer, and the timer will be, for example, like 2 seconds with the signal timeout. So when this timer finish, we're going to emit a signal. Oh, let's just copy this. We're going to emit the signal again with all the colors in white. Okay, let's put white, white, white. Okay, we clear the inputs and we create a new random combo ready to be done. So let's save it and see how it goes. So let's do 2, 1, 2. It works. 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, 2. The thing is, like, I don't see that this is turning to white, sorry. So let's see what is happening in the end. Maybe we have coded wrong. So when is this the KO? The 3 turns to red. The GL is okay. And then we emit the signal again with all whites. Maybe. I think the order is okay. I'm not sure. Let's do, for example, let's change. Because first, when it's a KO, the first thing that we want to do is to clear this. And then, and then we turn this to red. We wait for 2 seconds. Let's wait for 1 second. Okay? And turn this to white and see how it goes like this. Let's save it and try again. So 2, 2, 1. Okay. 2, 2, 1. I think it's 1, 1, 2. Yeah, it's working fine, I think, right? Because as you can see, when it starts with the numbers, it's changing to white. That this is what we want. Okay? So it was okay. Okay, guys. Now let me show you real fast because we need to add new animations. Okay? So let's move, for example, to the player. And here we have add a very simple animation for when the player lost the game, okay? It's not polished, it's not like the best animation I ever done, but it works, okay? And now we are looking for functionality and how to implement things, okay? Then what we have here that we are going to add a hurting state animation, okay, for the player. And we are going to add it. So yes, for the player, we're going to add these 2 things, okay? When the player is hurting and when the player gets KO, okay? And for the enemy, let's see the animations. We're going to add defensive, okay, a defensive, you can see here. And we're going to add okay, let's take out the last animation of the player because I think we are going to run all the animations, so we're going to see this. Let me find the animations. This is the problem when you have a huge project that you used to get lost. Okay, let's just put idle and let's continue. So yeah, we have a defensive movement of the. Okay, this is I don't know if we are going to, let's put the speed down so you can see. This is like after he block, he can have this movement. Okay, but we put it here, but I don't know if we are going to use this animation at the moment. But this one for sure we are going to use it. Okay, this is when the player missed the hit and the enemy block the attack, okay? And this is when it gets hit, okay? It's not perfect, need to be polished, but it works for us. And this is when also get hit, a normal hit, okay? And when it gets a KO, okay? When it gets a KO, they just fall into the ground, okay? Another one bites the dust, right? So this is the animation, and now we are going to implement the animation inside of the project. Let's see how it goes. So first, just let me tell you that 1 month ago, I uploaded a video explaining step by step how to upload when you have new animations, how to update to the project, okay? So you can watch this video and watch the two methods and choose the one that you like the most, okay? And for this animation, this new animation that we have, we are going first go to our project root, okay? And then remember that we have a file, folder only for spine, okay? And here you have to add a convert Python that you can see in the video how to make it, and the resource of the enemy and the player. All the other things, okay, you can just erase it, delete it, okay? And we are just have this. First, a big mistake that I have done, you need to close the project, okay? And now, let's just go to this, to spine, we export the configuration that you want, and I need to change we need to find where we are going to put the spine files, okay? We choose this folder and we export. Once we have exported, you will see that in the folder we have the atlas, the JSON files, but we need to do something more. We need to go to CMD, and in CMD we need to copy this path, okay? Let's say this path, that is where the Python is installed, python.x, then this address is for the convert.python that we have downloaded from the Spine website, okay, this one. And also we will have the folder that all the files are located, that is this one, okay? So we copy all these three paths and we paste in the CMD, okay? And as you can see, I have converted all the things. So now all the JSON files are linked to the resource, okay? So if we, for example, go to our tutorial, as you can see, they have import all the image. Don't worry about this. This is something that happened before. I don't know why, okay? And for example, if we go to spine resource, as you can see, all has been linked. So now it should be work. If we go, for example, to spine and we set to preview animation, we have hurt left, hurt right, and we have the KO, okay? The KO animation. So now we are ready to keep coding.